In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a way to get rid of using aluminum foil by making your own beeswax wrap DIY. It is easy to make and will save you money as well. I will show you how the other ways you might be seeing out there are not going to work and how to clean the food wraps as well. First, start by choosing your fabric. Please use 100% cotton non-stretch, a thin fabric. Here I have a 15 by 15 centimeters cloth. Then separately add all the ingredients in a melting pot or a double boiler. Add 2 teaspoons of beeswax, then 1 teaspoon of resin, and about 5 to 7 drops of jojoba oil. When everything is melted, spread over the cloth. It will harden very quickly, but don't worry. Then you add it in the oven at about 100 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes. If the edges are not completely covered with wax, use a silicone brush to spread over evenly. Only a silicone brush, as other brushes won't be able to clean properly. After 2 minutes, remove the fabric immediately and swing it over to help it dry, and place it on a cooling rack to dry completely. It will only take a minute. And it is done. You can place it over bowls by using the warmth of your hand to seal it. You can use it over and over again many times, and when you want to renew it, you just have to place it in the oven and it's going to be as good as new. Now let me tell you why other ways of making these won't work. If you don't melt the ingredients together and just spread them around on the cloth, you will find that the resin won't seal the cloth properly, and also the jojoba oil will create stains. On the other hand, if you don't use resin and want to use only wax, the cloth will crack and you won't seal properly to reuse it many times. And if you don't use oil, the wax will come off on your hands. To clean the beeswax wraps, you need warm water with sponge with washing liquid, and wash gently, then place it on a rack to dry, and that's it really. It washes really well and the wax doesn't come off. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this one, you might like the other ones that are on the channel, so head over to check them out and take care. Bye.